This is the guided practice for 2.2, where we're taking percents and writing them as fractions and fractions as percents. So follow along in your book as we go here. I have 15%. I take my number 15. It's out of 100. So my fraction is 15 over 100. I can simplify that. I'm going to divide each side by 5, and that gets me 3 20s. And that is my answer. So you put the percentage, the number, over 100 and simplify. Okay? So 80. 80 over 100. Now I could divide it by 10, which means I get rid of this 0 and get this 0. So now I'm at 810. I'm going to divide it in half. Divide by 2. So I get 4/5. Can't go any simpler. My answer is 4/5. 80% equals 4/5. Okay. Another one. We have 33 out of 100. So it's 33 over 100. Now, 33, the only way I can simplify that is either 3, 11, or 33. None of those go into 100. So, that is my answer. Okay. Now, we want to also be able to take a fraction and put it into a percent. Okay. So, I'm going to get it to 100. If I have 3 10s, I want to somehow get that to be 100 at the bottom. So what do I do here? Times 10 times 10, and that is 30, and it's over 100, so that's my percent. So 3/10 is 30%. Okay, number 5. I want to do the same thing. I have 3 out of 20. Once I get it to out of 100, whatever this number here, right there, that is my percent. Okay? So 20 times 5 gets me 100. 3 times 5 gets me 15. So it is 15%. Okay? Now I have 2/5. 2/5. Okay. I'm going to just get this to 10 to begin with. That's times 2. So this has to be times 2. That's 4. Now I'm going to go up to my 100. That's times 10. And that's times 10. So it's 40. 40 out of 100 is the same as 2/5, which when it's 40 out of 100 means it's 40%. Okay? Elsa ran 7 out of 10 days. What percent did she run? What percent of the days did she run? Okay, so I know she ran 7 out of 10. So it's the 7/10. Okay? And I want to know what percent that is. Let me get it to 100, and then I'll know. Times 10 times 10, which is 70. 70%. Out of the 10 days, she ran 70% of the days, which is 7 out of the 10 days, or 7/10. Okay. And we will not do E8, so go ahead now and try the independent practice on your own. I will have a video showing you how you did, and you can check your work. Okay? Independent practice is on page 105, and go ahead and do 1 through 13.